I-reveal ko na sa inyo kung sino tayo sa 12 tribes. We are the tribe of Ephraim, and across the South China Sea is the tribe of Manasseh. Isaiah 31, ganito ang nasusulat. The days are coming when I will revive my covenant anew with the deflected Israelites and with the people of Judah of the house of David. So kung ang tinitingnan ninyo dyan ay yung version ng corrupted Bible, kinokorek ko ngayon. Kinokorek namin ngayon. Ito ang nilalaman. The days are coming when I will revive my covenant anew. Sasariwain ulit. Kanino? Sa deflected Israelites at saka sa people of Judah. Kasi nahati noon ang Israel. Merong tinatawag na deflected Israelites. Yan yung 10 tribes, 11 tribes. At saka yung tribe of Judah.